You already know debt is bad. But here's the real truth. It's not just bad. It's the silent killer of your financial freedom. And most people don't even realize how deep the trap goes. In this video, I'm going to show you why debt keeps almost everyone stuck, no matter how hard they work. How the system quietly profits off your paycheck every month, and how to beat it faster than you ever thought possible. And I'm not just giving you the same basic pay more than the minimum advice you've heard 100 times. We're going deeper. I'll break down the psychology of debt, show you the sneaky math behind interest that costs people thousands, and teach you a real strategy that can save you money without earning a single dollar more. By the end, you'll understand debt in a way that completely flips how you see money, banks, and even your own paycheck. And if you stick around until the end, I'll show you a simple but powerful trick the banks will never mention, because it literally helps you pay less interest while keeping your same income and lifestyle. Let's get into it. Here's the thing most people never stop to think about. Debt isn't just something you owe, it's something that owns you. When you have debt, your time doesn't belong to you anymore. It belongs to whoever lent you the money. Your next paycheck is already spent before it even hits your account. And the scariest part, most of us were trained to see this as completely normal. Student loans, car loans, credit cards, mortgages. The system wants you to believe that debt equals opportunity. But in reality, debt equals dependency. Debt takes away your flexibility. It keeps you saying, maybe next year, to the things you actually care about. It turns your future into someone else's income stream. While you're paying off your past, the banks are profiting off your present. That's how the system works. And if you never notice it, you'll spend your entire life earning money just to send it somewhere else. Let's make this simple. Say you have a credit card balance of $5,000 with an interest rate of 20%. If you only make the minimum payment, it will take you more than 20 years to pay off that balance. And by the end, you'll have spent over $10,000, twice what you originally borrowed. That's the trap. It's not about how much you owe. It's about how much time the debt steals from you. And every time you use a buy now, pay later button or open a new line of credit because it's only $30 a month, you're building another wall around your financial freedom. Most people think the solution is to make more money, but here's the truth. Making more doesn't fix the problem if your spending habits don't change. Without a plan, higher income just means higher payments and nicer debt. Now, let's fix this. There are two proven methods that can completely change how fast you get out of debt. The avalanche method and the snowball method. The avalanche method attacks your highest interest debt first. This saves you the most money overall. The snowball method starts with your smallest balance, giving you quick wins and motivation to keep going. Which one works best? The one you can actually stick with. Debt isn't a math problem. It's a mindset problem. The goal is to build momentum, not perfection. Start with one credit card, one loan, one payment, and crush it. That feeling of progress becomes addictive. And once you start seeing balances hit zero, your entire relationship with money starts to change. Here's the bonus I promised. There's a secret way to save money on your debt without cutting your lifestyle or earning more. It's called interest cycling. Here's how it works. Let's say your monthly loan payment is $400. Instead of paying that once per month, pay $200 every 2 weeks. That small change lowers your average daily balance, meaning you're charged less interest over time. And because there are 52 weeks in a year, you'll end up making an extra full payment without even noticing it. That one adjustment can save you thousands of dollars and shave months, even years, off your payoff timeline, all without earning a cent more. This is how you flip the system back in your favor. To truly escape debt, you have to change how you see it. Most people think of debt as a normal part of adulthood, but normal is broke. Every time you make a payment, remember, you're not just clearing a balance. You're reclaiming your time, your freedom, and your future choices. The wealthy see debt as a tool, not a trap. They borrow to buy assets, not luxuries. They use money to make more money, not to chase comfort they can't afford yet. The goal isn't to avoid debt forever. It's to learn how to control it so it never controls you again. And that brings us to the next video in this series. Good debt versus bad debt. The rule that can make you rich or broke, because not all debt is bad, And knowing how to use it the right way could be the biggest wealth move of your life. So hit subscribe so you don't miss it. It's where you'll learn how to go from escaping debt to using debt to build wealth.